The Vintage FX Collection by Digifects. 12 CDs and almost 1,700 archival sound effects from the 1950s to the 1980s. The Vintage FX Collection from Digifects, distributed by Sound Ideas.